You're feeling anxious, stressed, depressed, and your phone is sucking your life. When I was looking to create my first YouTube video about living conscious, I came across with this term. I've heard of it, but I didn't know much about it. And I started to research what this was all about, and I was like, I actually freaking need a digital detox. Hey everyone, and welcome to our beautiful wellness community, where we explore and dive deep into wellness practices to help us connect on a deeper conscious level. If you're passionate about self-care and beauty, what goes beyond the surface, and join our beautiful journey. Hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notifications so you never miss out any of my latest videos. So if you don't know what a digital detox is, it means you don't use your phone, you don't use any technological devices. There's like different types of level that you can do it, but you, for example, don't use your television or anything, like literally anything, technological devices. What I research, the negative aspects are lack of sleep, mental stress, have ADHD problems, so problems with concentration, feeling anxious. If you think about it, we freaking use social media and phones every single day. When we wake up, when we go to work, when we are at work, and then once you go home, you're using your phone, and before going to bed is like it's a non-stop like technology. It's intense. So I documented my very own digital detox and I want to share my story. So stay tuned because at the end as well, I'm going to share a step by step on how you can start doing a digital detox. But first, I bet you want to know the reasons on why and the benefits that doing this detox will bring into your life. So this is what I found once I finished my own detox. So your stress levels will go down definitely. You feel more present. You feel very much connected to your body, your thoughts, like you pay more attention of what you're thinking, what you're doing, and you make time to actually do your own hobbies, like whatever you love doing, you actually do it and you don't postpone those little things that make you happy as well. So you're not wasting your time, you're focusing on things that you actually love. You actually don't procrastinate. I believe when you're focusing on using your phone, you sometimes don't get things done. So basically, you're procrastinating. So that will go away. You're going to be more productive, you're going to help to regulate your sleep. So actually inducing a restful night, like going into a very deep relaxing state before going to sleep. And as well, you're gonna feel much better with yourself, because once you connect with yourself, you're not gonna be wanting to look to that approval or wanting to live someone else's life or wanting to be someone else. So when you reconnect with yourself, you feel more confident and secure. So come on, why not do one of these detox? I started this journey on a Monday and I finished next Monday, so a total of 7 weeks. I gave myself more permission on the weekends because obviously there's more time to rest, to actually feel that you're not doing anything. Like, you can give yourself a bit of permission with the sense that you're actually trying to literally disconnect from everything. So the first days were very good. I was literally tapping into my self, like doing things that I love. I was doing yoga before going to bed. I was reading. I was having a very peaceful night going to bed. After the fourth day, like I felt I was feeling a bit more anxious and I started to feel this anxiety because I was thinking like your head and your thoughts are running wild. So what helped me was actually make time and space to sit with my thoughts, and I was like, okay, if I'm feeling this, why is it making me feel this way? Or writing them down, like this helps a lot for me. Journaling, it's been part of my process about processing feelings and thoughts. And like in general, it was good because when you actually sit down for having lunch, you're actually enjoying your time of having lunch, you're having time for yourself, like things that you actually love, and you're not depending so much on others people's lives or what they're doing. Like that's just a freaking illusion. Like the one that is living your life, it's you. Is like you can't live your life through others. That's such a thing that we need to remind ourselves. Like social media is not the reality. So and don't get me wrong, I love social media, but just for some specific purposes. And when I got into the weekend, I enjoy time just like watching all the things that I love, like reconnecting, like all my hobbies like astrology, numerology, like all these things that I actually love, like magic. And yeah, like tapping into what I do really enjoy and makes me happy. Felt amazing. Like it was such a transformative week, and at the end I feel it gave me a sense of actually developing a healthy relationship with my social media and using my phone. So after I finished, I was like, okay, I'm gonna give myself permission to use social media this day, this hour, and but not waste my time like 2 3 hours stick to my phone. And I develop better like sleeping rituals, like going to bed in a very like tranquil and relaxed state, and doing like more slow pace, like slow living activities. And I still need to work on that, don't get me wrong. Like once you're back, you're like, this thing gets you and it gets you very addictive. So you need to be very conscious. But I think this opens the door of being more conscious about how you use your phone or your computer or, yeah, like all technological devices. So this is my step by step if you really want to start doing your own detox. So first of all, like be realistic. You have a life, you have a job, you have a family. So you need to understand that you're still gotta use your phone, you need to communicate. Like I work as a content creator for a company, so I still need to use my phone and create content and record and edit. So be very realistic on how you use your socials for work and connect with your family. So that will be the first step. The second step is set your limits. So what you can do is maybe use social media for 30 minutes in a day, or if you really want to completely erase your apps and social media completely, that's fine. Like do it as you feel is good for you. You can do it maybe progressively and start less and less and less using socials and using your phone. But yeah, like what you can do is put your phone, like what I love doing at nights, it's putting my phone on sleeping mode, so I don't get that like all the time, so I can sleep like fully and get my good sleep. In the mornings I don't look at my phone until it's time to go to work. Not even on the transport, I try to read. Like you set your limits at how you feel is good for you. Remember to limit your use of phones when you're with family, your friends, your partner, when you're eating, when you are doing more like focusing on being with yourself and being with someone else. So that's something you can actually start doing. Yeah, I think that's like very basic steps. You set your own pace. If you're feeling anxious, if you feel bored, if you're feeling stressed, try to do a to-do list of things that you love and do them. Try to go outside, take a walk, take your bicycle, go and see some friends. As well, let them know that you're trying to do this detoxifying process so they understand your process, they support you, and that maybe your parents are not concerned. Like my dad, he was like, why are you not picking up your phone? And all these little things. Keep a journal. A journal is a very personal thing that you can use, and you can write your thoughts, what you're feeling. It's not going to judge, so you can actually like release all your thoughts and your anxious thoughts and your stress. So using a journal is a very good option. To, after you finish, like clean your social media. try to delete or try to unfollow or try to make it a better, pleasant place to like scroll and follow things that make you grow, that make you a better person, or maybe you're learning something new, or maybe you like. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to learn more about conscious living and creating a more mindful living every single day, join our beautiful community, and don't forget to subscribe, follow, and comment. If you do this detox, let me know on the comments and let me know your feelings or what you went through, if you liked it, if you see some benefits, and let's stay connected to conscious living, and I'll see you on my next video.